In this video, I would like to show you how to use the envelope tool to quiet your music when you have both a voice recording and music recording. So here I have my audio recording and I have my song recording, and I want to turn down my song recording. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click the envelope tool. And what that allows me to do is it allows me to quiet my track in my music at certain points. So here I have some silence, and I would like the music to be relatively loud so that when they get started they can hear the music, but then I would like my music to get quieter. So with the envelope tool you have these little arrows, and so right where I have my person starting to talk, I want to quiet my audio. So I'm going to click here, and I would like it to also stay quiet until I get to right here at the end where it can be louder again. So I've clicked and I have these little dots. And so I'm going to click in the middle, and it's like I'm putting the audio in an envelope, and I'm just kind of like scrunching it together so that it is quieter. And I would like for this to, right now it's still going to fade to be a little bit quieter. I'm going to click again, and I'm going to make sure that it gets pretty quiet. I'm going to do the same thing here. I don't want to get it to complete silence. A line is complete silence. I don't want to do that. And so if I need to adjust, I can zoom in. And so I can bring it to be a little bit quieter, and a little bit quieter right here, and then it can get louder and it can be loud to the end of my track. So I want to adjust the volume. You also want to be listening to your audio because you want your words to be the most important thing that the people are listening to in your podcast. So you want to make sure that you're turning down your music and it is not a distraction to the audio that you have at your top track or during your top track. So that's how you use your envelope tool. If you're ready to select something again, you'll need to go back up to your selection tool, and then you can select things and delete if you need to.